Lads, Minecraft is generating people millions of views on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and it might just be one of the fastest growing niches on the platform. Like, literally, look at this guy. His past couple of videos, he's been getting 10 million views a pop. I'm not being funny, these videos are ridiculously easy to make and are essentially just brain rot. It's not just Minecraft, you can do this in Roblox, you can do this in Fortnite. Any of these popular videos, there are millions of views on the table for these brain rot style videos. So with all that being said, for the next week, I'm going to copy this Minecraft page and see if I can break into the gaming niche myself, because a million views sounds good to me. However, I'm going to do this with a twist. I'm going to do this completely faceless and use an AI character. So I don't have to show my face in these videos, and hopefully we're still going to rake up millions of views. So let's see if I'm not washed and actually know what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, let's jump straight in to the video. Right, boys, let's start the timer. We've got exactly 1 week to go viral with this page. You know, I've blown a lot of pages up in my time, but it's always hard doing it in under a week because, you know, you've got to build that momentum. It is going to be a challenge, but I guess it'll make for an entertaining video. All right, so first, let's go onto actual YouTube and just type in Minecraft Shorts to have like deep dive into what is making these videos so popular and why they're going crazy. Now, if we look at this, 59 million views, 7 million views, 2.3 million views, 74 million views. These are just shorts on Minecraft. So this is why I essentially want to do this niche, because it is essentially quite easy to film Minecraft videos. You know, I've got Minecraft installed on my computer. I used to be a little craft nerd back in the day. Spent a fair few hours on it, let's say that. See more and more of these pages pop up, and I'm thinking to myself, these guys are making an absolute killing. We're talking thousands a month just by making Minecraft videos. It sounds like the dream, really, when you think about it. So let's go ahead and click on his most popular video to see what makes these videos, you know, shine. Okay, he's got an iron golem. He's giving some iron to iron golem. What's he doing? Oh, the iron golem just kills the dog. That's crazy. And then obviously your boy's getting stressed out. He's like, right, it's time to get revenge on the iron golem. He suits up, he finds the iron golem, and he kills him. So that video got 18 million views. All that happened was he gives some iron to a golem, it killed his dog, he put some armor on and he killed the iron golem. 18 million views. Now you see in the picture of why I want to get into this niche. It seems so easy to copy as well, and that's why I think we've got a good chance of doing this for this next week. Now what really makes these videos pop is they've got the music in the background, we've got some sound effects as well, so we're going to make sure to include those. So we could literally just post these Minecraft clips and call it a day, but I'm going to try and take this to the next level and use AI just to add some more creativity to these videos. People like seeing other people's reactions to stuff. We're essentially just going to create an AI that's going to pretend that they're playing Minecraft. Now this hasn't been done before. I'll be honest, I've not seen a single page do this, so we're going to be the first in this video. So there might be a bit of trial and error. All right, boys, it's been about an hour now, and I've kind of scheduled out a little plan on how I want these videos to work. All right, so basically I've been watching a ton of these Minecraft videos to see what makes them go viral, and essentially for this week, I'm not actually going to be making the Minecraft content myself. I know you might be thinking, you're lazy, we just want to see if this type of content's going to work. So we're going to be a bit cheeky. What we're going to do is we're essentially going to copy someone else's content. We'll shrink it down a little bit. We're essentially going to add like a reaction on top of the video from like our own AI character. So this is the original here, one that's done 1.5 million views. We're going to take that, put it over here, and then we're going to create an AI character that's basically going to pretend like they're playing the game to see if this niche works, and we can rake up millions of views. Now, I understand that this looks like loads of squiggles, but the reason why I think this is going to do really well is because this type of content has already done 1.5 million views. So if this has already done 1.5 million views, and we just add a reaction to it, pretending that we're playing the game with this AI character, the video itself is already proven to do well. So it's essentially we're recycling a viral video and getting loads of views. Obviously, if this proves to be a proven method that works, we would just start making our own Minecraft content, you know, something like this, and would actually film the Minecraft videos ourselves, but still adding the reaction to it, but then it's all our content. Now, in the testing process, we just want to see if these videos are going to go viral and get loads of views. Anyway, so what I've done here is I've got a bit of a notion. I've essentially found some viral Minecraft short videos. So if we click on this one, it'll take us to this short where it's essentially, you know, you've traveled 1,000 blocks to see what bro built, and it's like, oh no, it's a cobblestone house, it's rubbish, why have I done this? Basically if we skip the video, it's actually like this really big house. It's like, that's the funny twist to it. We're gonna get this AI character to react to this. That's gonna be the fun part. So how I've done this is I've basically written a little prompt. Feel free to pause the video and copy this prompt if you want. I've took a bit of time to make sure it's right and it's going to give us the correct result. Anyway, and then I'm going to go over to OpenArt and go down to video, and this is where I'm going to get access to Sora 2. So if we go to image to video now and click on Sora 2. By the way, there'll be a link to this website down in the description if you want to try out this challenge yourself. I'm then going to go and get a picture of like a gamer girl's setup, maybe something daft like that. Yeah, something like this. Let's save this image. Then we can then drag and drop this into Sora, change it to 9:16 and just have the chair in like that, and click save. And then it's going to give us a little prompt here, and that's where we're going to paste in that prompt from earlier. Basically what this prompt essentially says is it's just describing what happens in the video. So it's just her giving commentary on what happens in the video. It's just, you know, I've just traveled over an hour to see this rubbish cobblestone base. He told me it was massive. You know what? Today's going to hate me for this. It's just narrating over the video to give it some more context and hopefully keep viewers engaged a little bit more. That's my thought process anyway. Anyway, we're going to make sure this is at least 8 seconds long because we want her to be speaking for a while. And then we can just click create. All right, and this is the video it's generated. So as you can see, she's sat in the chair. She's a gamer girl, and there's even Minecraft playing in the background, which is pretty cool. So we play this video.
I've just traveled over an hour to see this rubbish cobblestone base. He told me he spent hours on it. You know what? He is going to hate me for this, but I'm just going to place one of these down.
So as you can see, it cuts off there, but that's where we'll continue the script. So I actually generated the next video.
Oh wait, he's telling me to come in. Wait, what? How on earth is it this big on the inside? I think it might be a demon. This looks sketchy ASF.
And that is essentially all the audio that we're going to be using for this Minecraft clip. So I understand you might not see the vision right now, so let me just play you the video of what I've just created so you can see the angle this page is going to go at.
I've just traveled over an hour to see this rubbish cobblestone base. He told me he spent hours on it. You know what? He is going to hate me for this, but I'm just going to place one of these down. Oh wait, he's telling me to come in. Wait, what? How on earth is it this big on the inside? I think it might be a demon.
And that's it. That is the video. As you can see, it's super engaging. The AI character on top, you know, she does a very good job. It looks super realistic, and because she's commentating the gameplay, people are gonna love it. They're gonna be like, oh wow, she's actually engaged in the gameplay. This is generally how I see this new Sora AI getting used. You know, we're creating these fake influencers to narrate over gameplay or to narrate over like TikTok shop products and stuff. This is like the best use case I've found for it so far. Like I said earlier, because this video has already done like 1.52 million views, essentially just recreating that formula and just narrating over it. So we've got a high chance of it doing really well. And if this page starts to take off, then we can start, you know, making our own Minecraft clips, because we know it's actually worth our time to do that, because we're going to get paid, you know, a decent amount of money for it. So what's left for me to do now is I need to make a bunch of these videos and start posting them on TikTok and YouTube Shorts to see if this is actually a viable strategy. Maybe we might tweak stuff along the way, you know, like something's not performing. I don't know how well this is going to do, but anyways guys, I guess I'll see you in 7 days. Wish me luck.
1 week later.
Boys, have I got something to show you? Alright, so it's been exactly 7 days since we started this challenge, and honestly, I was a bit nervous for this one. I didn't know how this was going to perform. So let's just jump straight into the stats. Let's go to the analytics tab here. As you can see, completely brand new channel. We've posted 5 videos on this channel, and we have managed to do over 72,000 views in this niche. And as you can see, just in the last 48 hours, we've done 32,000 on one of the shorts. We've done 11,000 on another and 1,000 on another. This is a brand new page, and I just want to stress this. Normally on a brand new YouTube Shorts page or a brand new TikTok page, you don't get this type of motion straight away. It takes a bit of time to build up because they don't trust you, and the content, you know, needs a bit of time to learn the algorithm. But because this Minecraft niche, Roblox, Fortnite, all this stuff is really popular, and we're already hitting viral videos, it's working. It's worked wonders. Now honestly, I think these videos are going to blow up even more. You know, this has only been 7 days, but these videos are performing so well that I think they're going to continue getting momentum. You know, honestly, this 33,000 one, it wouldn't surprise me if it hits 100,000 like in the next 2 weeks. And I'll show you exactly why. If we go over to the analytics here, and we go over to engagement and we scroll down, as you can see, this is the video that we actually made at the start, the one with the cobblestone, and I showed you how I did it. If we look at the retention, you can see that it's over 200% at the start, and then it goes down 140, 130, 120. Now if you're not into YouTube or TikTok, if you don't have to read retention graphs, basically anything over 100% is ridiculously good. If you get 100% retention on a video, that means everyone that's watched that video has watched the entire video. And if it's over 100%, that means they've re-watched the video, so they've watched it more than once. So at the start, we've got over 150%. That's a lot of people that is re-watching this video, which means that this video first has high viral potential, and second, this video is clearly resonating with the Minecraft audience, with the gaming guys, and they're loving it. Yeah, as you can see here, we're at 72 32% stay to watch, 27% swiped away. Really good, like, just engagement. This video did 97 hours of watch time for an 18-second video, and as you can see here, the average view duration was 22 seconds. The video is only 18 seconds long. The average person watched this video longer than the actual video, which is bonkers. Again, I just want to stress out, this proves that this niche is extremely viral right now, extremely popular. And it's not just that video. If we go ahead and click this one here, we go over to engagement, we go to retention, you can see this one similar, 150%, goes down to like 106. Absolute numbers. I mean, this was the first video on the channel and it did 14,000 views. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I will say, like, if we look at some of the dislikes here, we've got 291 likes, but we've got 51 dislikes on that video, and that's because people have noticed that this is AI. So if we go into the comments here, you know, we can see clear AI. Someone said that this is a stolen video. Yeah, well, little does he know, we're just testing it out right now. We're not just going to steal all the videos, but AI slop. Now, it's not necessarily a bad thing that these people are commenting, actually increasing our engagement. So it might actually be a good thing that they're commenting AI. So you can see that as a positive or a negative. As you can see, it's definitely a niche that does work. And I've only posted 5 videos. 100% if I continue with this page and keep up with this schedule, I am certain that this page would blow up. And the only thing is, I might have to start making the Minecraft videos myself, just because I don't just want to be stealing everyone's videos all the time. Some people might get a little bit mad about that, but you know, the game is the game. If you are interested in how I put these videos together, it was literally just a simple case of dropping the Sora video onto the track here, cropping it so it only fits the top bit, putting the Minecraft bit at the bottom bit here, and then just literally having it play out and making sure both the Sora tips clipped. And you know, when she said stuff, make sure the actual Minecraft gameplay looks similar to that. Again, if you are wanting to get into Sora, you can access it on OpenArt. I've put a link down in the description so you can start making these videos yourself. And then I also kind of want to gatekeep the niche as well and just do it myself. But I am running a lot of different pages right now. If you guys want to see me take this challenge to 30 days or 60 days and see how much we can grow the page, maybe start, you know, actually making our own Minecraft videos or whatever, let me know down in the description and I'll continue the series. But yeah, if you've got any questions or you want to talk to some like-minded individuals, I've got a free Discord that you can join. Nice community over there. So yeah, definitely check that out. Link will be down in the description. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.